To God be the glory, great things He has done, greater things He will do. Adesha, my precious family, I welcome you all back to Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen. Today we're making digestive cookies. Thank you. We're going through our ingredients. I have whole wheat flour. This is 2 cups. 1 cup wheat bran. And 1/3 cup powdered sugar. Some salt. 2 teaspoons baking powder. I have 8 tablespoons milk, that's almond, and I have my butter. The butter is half a cup, and this is 1 stick. 1 stick makes half a cup, so that means 2 sticks or 1 cup. Then this is the milk. I'm using almond, organic, and the whole wheat and the wheat bran. Okay, let's start. Digestive cookies. Okay, so I'm adding the wheat bran. I add my baking powder, then my salt, 1 teaspoon. Okay, now this is the powdered sugar. Okay, mix everything together. Okay, now you add your butter. And I want to, I'm gonna add this. Okay, mix your butter with it. Yeah, mix the butter, no. It's cold butter, so it will take a while. But we'll get there. So this is it. Now my daughter don't like almond, so I'm going to divide this into 2, and then I'll use oat milk for her. Okay, yeah, okay. So now we're gonna add your milk. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. Okay. Okay. Okay, so okay, so the other half I'm using oat milk. Okay. Okay. Good. Perfect. Then top of it. Let's add one on top of it. Like that. Okay. Then we're going to roll it, not too thin. Okay. So I'm going to roll this because I'm filming myself. Okay. Filming you. Okay. I'm using this cup because I don't have the cutter. That is the one I use, the almond milk. I have this digestive press. Okay, so I'm gonna use the one. Let me start from here. Okay. Okay. Good. This is the last one, so that one is extra big. Now I'm going to put it in the oven on 300 for 12 to 15 minutes. Our digestive is ready. Okay, this is the almond one. We are done with our cookies. And look at that. See. So, please try. Thanks for watching.